Hey, welcome back to the channel and the first vlog of 2022. I'm at the shop right now with Dan. He's about to throw some new fenders on. I'm gonna be taking all these decals off my car that have been on here forever. It's supposed to snow tonight, really bad. There's supposed to be a big snowstorm, so we're gonna go out, get some pictures, get some videos. I'm sure Dan's gonna get stuck a few times.
Nah. Don't say that. Don't say that. No one's getting stuck.
Where the hell did Tux get stuck?
If you do, we could just play bumper cars. I'll push you out of the way.
Yeah.
Down.
Just make sure to hit the new fenders.
Yeah, absolutely. On another note, update on Dan's car because he is doing everything and anything to it. He got some new wheels right here. He won this hood. Which one is this? What hood is
I think it's the Saban.
Oh, this is the V2.
Yeah.
Okay. And then where'd you put the fenders? Where are they at? Let's go check these out. Got some Rested carbon fiber fender. Here, pull that out of there.
Yeah. These things look
Nice.
good. It's gonna look good.
Yeah.
Good little thing. That's gonna look
that's
crazy.
gonna look nice.
Oh, I can't wait.
All right, let's get to removing these decals because I can't stand looking at them anymore. Alright, so I finished up taking all the decals off the car. Dan unfortunately wasn't able to put his fenders on because he can't get his wheel off. And he broke the damn extension.
Let's not talk about it.
Alright, so apparently it's snowing pretty good outside. Let's go check it out. Got the gimbal backwards right now. I have to spin it around and shit. Alright. Okay. It's not that bad. I mean, it's definitely snowing. Alright, we're trying again. Alright. Yo, Dan, how about I try and fucking do it, and if I snap it, I'll just buy you a new extension.
I can keep going, but I don't want to snap it.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. I don't care. I'll snap it.
I'll snap it, but like I don't, you know what I'm saying? Like,
That's what I'm saying. I'll get him a new one if I snap it. I don't give a fuck. It's an extension. Let's get it.
he's doing it for the vlog. Let's watch the car. You ain't gonna see shit from there.
There you go. Trying to get everything.
Give me this shit.
Let me just call.
Yo,
Byron.
that shit works, bro. I'm telling you.
Let me call Byron real quick. This fucking guy.
Oh!
Are you fucking kidding me?
I already had this done. Oh, my wheel!
Definitely get the fucking wheel on that one.
Definitely hit the wheel.
Bruh.
It's okay.
It's okay, yeah.
Put some tape on that.
Motherfucker just said put tape on
Tape
it.
on that.
All right. So since we got the wheel off, Dan's been trying to work the fender out, but he's having a little difficulty over here.
I'm not a mechanic.
Clearly. Neither are we.
Yeah?
That's why it's still not off. And it's definitely still snowing outside. Yo, how's it doing out there? Is it getting bad?
Yo, what you doing? Bro, I hate fuck BMWs. Honestly, fuck this shit. Now I know why nobody wants to work on these.
Alright, well, we got the fender off. Well, I got the fender off. We don't really know what Dan's doing, but it's almost on. We just gotta bolt it in, and then we can go the fuck home. I'll crack it. Look. Look at that. Oh, Dan's head's in the way. This has gotten very...
Yo, so you just got one bolt in?
This has gotten very
trying to go
hectic
drifting, bro.
really quick. This guy's on live. Dan's still trying to figure out what he's doing.
Dan, is it
I'm
the
pretty
last
sure
one?
that's not right.
I think you're misunderstanding. Dan.
Yo, Natalie, what's up? I was gonna hit you too the other day.
Ready? Where's the screw? Give me the screw.
Right.
Look, ready? Go ahead, screw that down.
Oh. Don't stop.
Yo.
At least you got the stock fender still. It's all right.
Yeah, then we gotta just take it off
All
again.
right, so it's on. You good?
It's on.
Yeah.
It's
All right,
on.
So let's
It's on.
lift it up. Close the hood. Put the wheel back on if we can.
Well, he's still gotta put it. He's still gotta put the wheel well back.
All right, and then let's take these cars out and go drifting.
Dan, what do you think? What's your experience with this? Never again.
Well, you gotta do it one more time because
Doing it?
we got this side. We're not doing that tonight. That took way longer than it should have. But you got through it, Dan.
Not really, because I have to actually go back and make it right.
I mean, it's not really wrong. You just gotta add a couple things.
Yeah, like the extra bolts I have.
Hey, if you're doing what happened? It's bad. If you're doing a car project and you don't have extra bolts at the end, you probably did something right. Keep doing it that way. Alright, so we're heading over to a parking lot right now. We're gonna go get some clips of us sliding around, get some reels, some pictures and stuff. It's freaking cold, and there is actually a lot of snow, but this is a lot of fun.
Where the hell did Tux get stuck? Oh, I know where. Oh, he might have hit the curb.
Oh no. Oh no.
Did you hit the curb?
Yeah. I hope I didn't curb my rim. The tire's sticking out, so we can kind of save the rim.
Yeah, hopefully.
What do you think we should do? Push it while I drive?
Is it on the curb right now?
Yeah. I was thinking of going more into it.
That's you might risk like scratching the rim at that point if you start driving away from it and you slide into it.
Well, let's try pushing it.
All right, we got him out. Let's go. Off we go. This guy looks like he's literally about to smack a curb. He's just sending it, like full send. Oh no, he's good. He's good, he's doing good. Don't come this way though. Whoa! Yo!
Yo, you good?
Yeah, I'm chilling.
Yo, if you heard me in the car, I was like, whoa, 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 Tristan. Yo, literally, I was like, no!
No, I'm chilling. I knew where you were going.
It's like,
you got tires that. Yo, your car will look good with white rims.
Yeah, it would.
they're supposed to be white.
Oh, I know, but they look
Yo.
like super white on the gram.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, they look crazy on here right now. Yo.
Okay.
Well, you better rev that. Oh, look at that! Oh shit!
Oh shit!
That's sliding.
All right, I think I'm just about ready to go home. Let's see what Dan's doing.
It's
What?
cold.
You trying to go home?
Yeah,
Yeah, we're good.
I think we're good.
I think I did enough spinning.
Me too.
I think that I got all the photos I needed.
I can't feel my fingers.
I don't know if I ever. Yeah, but you're telling me I've been outside the whole time.
I was outside for like 5 minutes.
You were shooting me with snow.
Yeah, yeah.
I was all up on your wheel while you were shooting me with snow.
You did it for the gram, bro. I don't know what to tell you.
Hey,
Tukes, don't,
I
baby.
don't want to hear your cold. You got heat in that.
Now I'm warm.
See you later, friend. Actually, I'm gonna follow you. All right, I'm headed home.
Off to the races.
Yeah,
Want to go to the runs?
yeah. Let's go. Let's go.
I gotta do a quick video.
You trying to run right now?
Yeah. Dude, hopefully I can get home, man. This is fucking bad.
Oh, if you need help, call me. I'll grab the truck.
Oh, yeah? I'll be waiting for an hour and a half. It's late already, too.
Yeah. All right.
Alright, dude. Later, brother.
Later, man. Yes, sir. You know, this turned out to be a pretty eventful day. I didn't think it was gonna be as much as we did, but I'm ready to go home. My hands are frozen, but we're gonna do a couple more donuts before we leave. I just can't really move at the moment. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay, okay. Let's see, let's not make sure we don't go into the curb here. Okay, we're around the curb. Here we go. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, put on your post notifications, keep up to date with when I'm posting all my videos. I'm gonna be posting one video every week. So let's keep it rolling. Peace.